Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I'm going to show you a wide open eyes look. So if you had small eyes and you want to make them look bigger, there is some makeup tricks and tips. That's a hard word for me to pronounce, tricks. So if you want to see how I do this, please stay and watch. Thank you. Today I want to work only on one eye, because I want you to see the difference between one eye that has all the makeup tips and tricks in versus one eye that doesn't. And to start, we're gonna use a brown matte eyeshadow, and we're gonna use a blending brush, but we're gonna use a small one. And I have this one, which is also a blending brush, but you can see it's a big one. You're gonna need a small one because you wanna have precision of what you're doing. I'm going to start applying the color, but I'm not gonna apply it right here in the crease like I will usually do. This time I'm gonna apply it just a little above the crease, right here. And to blend this color, the only thing that I'm doing is just going right and left, but I'm doing it a little bit at a time. I'm not doing the whole thing at once, no. Go all the way up here and make sure to go all the way up here. I have two options for you when it comes to the brush. You can use this nice thin brush that has a little pointing tip there, or if you want to, you can use a brush like this that is all flat, but this one is not thin, it's kind of thick. So whichever one you think it will be more comfortable for you to use, then go ahead and use that one. And I'm going to use the same matte brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to put this color right here, but I'm not going to put it right here as close as I can to the eyelashes or to where the eyelashes begin. No, I'm going to put it right here. Let me see here. Yes, I just want to make sure that you can see where I'm pointing on the camera. So I'm just going to put this color right here. See? Imagine if you have bags, you will put it right underneath the bags. And then just blend it in. Now, there's something that I want you to take notice of. When you are blending the color, or when you are first applying the color, make sure you go, or you keep this color from here to here. You can blend it in with this brush too if you want to. It's really whatever brush you feel more comfortable with. Okay, now I'm going to highlight my eye, and I'm gonna use an eyeshadow that is at least 2 or 3 shades lighter than my skin color. Now, I personally like to use this one, which is a cream matte eyeshadow, but it doesn't have to be a matte eyeshadow. It can be a shimmery one, that's fine. Something that I would like to mention is in my opinion, I think the colors that highlight the best are the ones that are gold, white, but white that has some pink coming through or some pink showing, peach colors or orange pale type of colors, or vanillas. And I'm gonna use this brush, but you can use any brush because you are just gonna apply it, really, that doesn't matter. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. I'm gonna take some more and I'm gonna apply it right here, and also here in this corner right here. I'm going to switch for this one actually, so it will be easier to apply it here in the corner. And I'm gonna put my head back and make sure this color, I didn't put any more on the brush, I just whatever I have left in it, I'm passing over my crease where my crease really is, just to make sure there is some color there too and it's not just empty. Now I'm going to line my eyes, And there is something here that you have to pay attention to. If you want to make your eyes to look bigger this way, but also want to make it look bigger this way, with your eyeliner, you should go all the way here to the very beginning, and then all the way here to the very end and do a little wing. Not too extreme, just a little bit. But if you have eyes that are too close to each other, then you cannot go all the way in with your eyeliner all the way to here. No. You will have to stop here. See? Right here. That's where you will have to stop. Because that way you will get more space to your eyes to look a little more separated. I have regular eyes, so I'm just going to start from the very beginning and go to the end. But when you line your eyes, make sure to go as close as possible to where the eyelashes start. Now I'm gonna apply a white eye pencil, and they also have those ones in colors that are more of a nude color. The nude colors are more kind of a very light peach tone, so you can use either one. I myself personally think the white looks better because you will put it right here on your waterline, and the point of using this color is to blend in with the white parts in your eye. So to me, if you put the nude, you kind of lose that effect a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. So me myself, I like the white pencils better for this look especially. If it's for anything else, I think the nude is fine, but it's up to you, whatever you want to do, okay? This is just makeup. I'm gonna put on my mascara on the upper and lower lashes. Now this step is optional, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I think it's better if you put some false eyelashes, and they don't have to be super strong or full ones. No, they can be natural or natural going into medium ones. So I'm gonna put them on and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how the eyes look with the false eyelash, which I think it helps a little more to open your eye. So this is it for today. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I have nothing else to say. I hope you like this tutorial. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.